Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Camarie Alexis. It's my first video on YouTube. Wow, I'm a YouTuber now. Yay. So I'm coming to you guys with a travel vlog. Woohoo, travel vlog. I will be going to Fredericksburg this weekend with some of the girlies. The girlies being my best friend and our moms and some family friends. So I'm super excited. Currently it is Thursday, almost 11, and I'm packing. So I'm trying to get my outfits together. Kind of want to show you guys what I got so far. Let's see. I know, so very, very organized. Trying to get my outfits together. I didn't have time to really shop for anything, which is for the good because, baby, I'm tired of spending money. So I'm really looking forward to this weekend. It's gonna be hot as hell. So I got, you know, this little combo here. It's a skirt and it's a white crop top. This may be a backup shirt, not sure. I have this crop top also with these like linen pants. Thought these would be cute. And then I got this dress here. And then I have this jumper that I'm thinking about bringing. I also have this chevron stripe maxi dress. It's super cute, you know. And I have this Old Faithful here. This cute dress. It crisscrosses in the front. But, yeah. So, think about bringing this. And then, I'm probably going to bring this black dress as well. It's so cute. Got it from Target. Girl, look how much I paid for this dress. Where the tag at? Where the tag at? Girl. So, okay, can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. So I got this one. It has a cute little ruffles at the bottom. You'll see when I put it on. But yeah, it's cute. So my bed is a mess. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on right now. I guess I can flip the camera. Yeah, so it's hot in here, child. Texas heat at night. I be in here hot, and that's not a good sign because I pay too much money for my AC and electricity for it not to be cold all day. So yeah, I just want to check in. This is 2 days before the trip because we don't leave till Saturday, so I still got plenty of time. So kind of just get some ideas out, seeing what fits. I already tried on most of these things. It fit, hug the booty good. Do you know what I'm saying? But I gotta still be appropriate because, you know, Fredericksburg is full of a diverse group of people, or non-diverse, however you want to look at it. I'm gonna look good regardless. So yeah, once I finish packing, which probably won't be officially until tomorrow, I'm gonna check back in with you guys. Peace. Hey y'all, so it's the next day, Friday. Happy Friday. So just got back from Target. It's so hot outside. You see how red my face is, right? It's so hot. It's so hot outside. It's so hot. I lost a nail. Well, I glued it back on and it broke off. Child. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it today. Show you what I got. So I saw these cute little wine cooler bags. It fits a wine bottle and 2 glasses, but I figured it's insulated on the inside. You put your wine glasses on this side and a wine bottle on this side. I thought it was super cute. I figured I would buy at least 1 bottle while I'm out there, maybe 2, and I can put it in here and keep it cool so it won't be hot as hell in my car. So I got a pink one for me, and I got a blue one for my mommy. How'd you like it? Yeah, there it goes, like a teal zipper. So cute. Saw it on TikTok, saw it all over my For You page, and one of the YouTube girlies uses it too. This brand called Lume. It's the acidified body wash. Babe, I heard good things about you. My sweaty girlies out there, this is supposed to help not keep you dry, but keep you odor free. And it says up to, I think the deodorant 72 hours. I don't know what's the wear on this one, but I'm gonna be outside And this Texas heat is gonna be in the hundreds all weekend, y'all. I'm not ready for it. So I can't help the sweat, but I can help the you know, the odor that come with it. I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully, you know, it works. Hopefully, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. Another thing I went in there for that I obviously need is some nail glue. So I was gonna glue these back on, but at this point, I'm just gonna redo the whole nail. I used gel to put the tip on, and I don't like that. I don't like the way I did that, so I'm gonna just replace the new nails with tips with glue, and that's it. So I poured me a mimosa. This is what is left of it. I'm gonna finish this. I was gonna do a quick weave, half up, half down on my hair. It's not happening. It's not happening. You're getting the puff, babe. You're getting the puff. It's too hot. I don't even feel like braiding my hair down. I don't feel like losing no more nails trying to go through my hair. Like, we just went to puff all weekend. So it's still gonna eat because my natural hair always eats, period. You know, it always gonna eat. I put a black rinse on it and obviously it faded. So we're just rocking whatever color this is, child. You see, it's still blonde or like lightened in the back. So I'm just gonna thug it out. But yeah, I'm about to eat me something because I'm so hungry. All I had was some egg whites for breakfast this morning. I worked out today, period. And then I had some chips on my way home from Target. So I need to go eat something. Low-key, I want to take a nap. It's almost like 4 o'clock now, so we'll see. I need to finish packing tonight, and then yeah. But if I do anything else, I will check in with you guys later. I'm the missing nail. How ghetto! This is crazy. But bye, y'all. I have to come back and show you my OOTD. Hold on. It's giving the girl's body. Hold on, hope y'all can see. I'm playing with hating. Wait, can you see it? The plant is hating on me right now. Why? You see the cakes? I feel so comfortable with you.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room, breathing slowly. Oh, you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. Touch is making me feel way, ooh. When I get around you, I getting this much easier. If I only knew this, and I used to be your best friend. You see me blowing up, don't act like I'm average. You want me home, I get you what you want. Superstar status, you want me alone. Maybe I'm bad. You held me up, but now it's down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long.
Yo, see I'm a star, look at me from afar. Hard to be down to earth when you nesting on Mars. You comment on how I move, too much space to assume. But I'ma tell you the truth, shit. Now when I'm gone and I roam around the globe for 3 months, that's too long. Without something that's sweet, so I phone little treats. That's a snack, not a feast. They don't mean much to me, cause I know that I have a bakery back at home. Am I wrong for?
Don't act like I'm average. You want me home, I get you what you want. Superstar status, you want me alone. Baby, I'm happy. You held me up, but now it's down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. You held me up, but now it's down and out. But I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. You waiting around for me.
Hey y'all, just checking in. It's technically the next day. It's 12:30. I'm finally finished packing. I know it's 2 days, but I got plenty of options, okay? I got my 2 purse options, jewelry and perfume in a small white bag, toiletries. I got shower shoes, house shoes. Then I have sandals and 2 pair of heels on this side. Then outfits, I have a total, I believe 5. Because like I said, it's going to be hot. I need to change clothes if I want to get too sweaty and all that stuff. So I got 5 options. Underwear, bra, sleep clothes, and then my robe. And I also packed my selfie. Yeah. I got my bonnet and my scarf, my hairbrush. I got makeup, sunglasses. The new body wash I was telling you about earlier, I want to try. It didn't fit in my other bag, so I just put it in my purse. My deodorant, extra sunnies, my purse hook for the restaurant, my book. I also have my charger that I need to actually put in here. I have my outfit wearing tomorrow, which is bodysuit. I'm responsible for games, so I got some games. So I saw these coolers. I told you that earlier, never mind. But I packed those 2, and I got a bottle of rum in that pink bag for the shots game. So we got Mad Wish, Same but different. And then I got this. These two I got from Target. They were having that buy two get one free on books, toys, movies, games, whatever. So chameleon game. It sounded pretty interesting. So I'm gonna check it out this weekend. If we don't end up playing it, I'm taking it back. Get my money back. I kept the receipt. My purse that I'm wearing, my everyday Steve Madden purse. I love this purse, y'all. It goes literally with everything, and it's cute. It's simple. I can fit all my stuff in there. So I'm bringing this with me. I was playing lip gloss, don't mind me. But yeah, I still have this bag on my head. Ooh, yeah, a little greasy. I need to wash my hair out before I go to sleep. I'm gonna twist it up. So all I do is take it out in the morning, do a cute like little wash and go style. And yeah, y'all, that's literally it. Done packing. I'm ready. I need to head to my mom's house by like 6:30. She wants to be on the road by 7 to get there by like 11 o'clock. We don't have to be there till 12:30.
BFFR. What did that spell? B fucking for real.
We gonna see how tomorrow goes or today goes. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. So, but I think I'm gonna stop the vlog here. It's probably like my get ready with me, pack with me, however I'm gonna name this vlog. And I may do Fredericksburg as its own separate vlog. This is the end. Thank you guys for watching my first YouTube video. Oh my god. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share. Tell a friend. You know, eventually I want to branch off into I really want to do lifestyle content mixed with like, you know, beauty and nails and just creative things, because y'all don't know about me. Y'all know I can get in my creative bag, okay, baby. Oh, you can't see that. I did that. One girl over there, I did that. Don't mind the rest of the stuff. But like I be getting in my bag. Obviously y'all saw I did this. I did all of this. So I want to be able to express that. I want to show to the world, okay? I've been hiding for too long. Y'all really need to get a whiff of this good energy over here, you know what I mean? I feel like the world deserves it right now, okay? We deserve good energy. And I'm here to provide it to y'all, okay? So this is the end. Like I said, love you guys. See you on my next one.